Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, and as you all know, on unboxing days I do Ipsy on Wednesday. So if any of you were wondering why I do Ipsy on Wednesday, it's because the bag is pink and I kind of just think like of Mean Girls. On Wednesdays we wear pink. So that's why I do Wednesday Ipsy. I think it just makes sense in my opinion. And it's kind of like a little creative for me on my part. So let's go ahead and open our Ipsy bag. I don't think I got any add-ons this time. I think I just got the bag. So here is the Ipsy bag. It is kind of reminds me of like paint, like when you mix the colors of the paint, and it's kind of like that. That's what it reminds me of. And then the little, the zipper, it's a heart shape for Valentine's Day. And it says Ipsy, of course, and then the heart looks kind of brown. And then the other side, it's just all pink. And it says self-love is the best love. And then it's a gold zipper. So that is the theme for February 2023 is You Are Loved. And it does say to buy yourself flowers, wear a fragrance that makes you smile, give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. Created by designer Dime Jones, this month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. So let's go ahead and open our bag. So, I'm going to pull out the first product, and the first product, I think this one is one that I chose. So it looks like they don't have the information this month. I think you have to go online for that, but I'll just go ahead and go how I, without it. So this is the Watermelon Dew All Over Serum, and the brand is Moly. And it says directions. My throat hurts, so if I talk funny, then that's because of my throat. My tongue hurts a little bit. I got like a sore throat kind of. So it kind of hurts a little, so I'm sorry about that. But let's read the directions. It says gently apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the skin's texture and pat your skin to enhance absorption. So I'm really excited about the serum. Because I have been using serums lately. I want to smell it. Maybe not. Should I? I think I will. Oops. Oh, it smells really nice. Okay. A little bit came out. That's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little bit on my wrist. This is something that I should be doing, is putting these products on my wrist before I put them on my face, because I know if you have an allergic reaction, then it's not going to look good on your face, and you want to make sure that your face isn't affected by that. So that's something that I should be doing. I kind of, whatever products I get, I just put on my face. I've never had any allergies to anything or allergic reactions, so I just do it, but I probably shouldn't do that. The next product that we pull out is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap, and I'm super happy to get this because I am running out of my face wash. This one doesn't really smell like much. It's kind of like fragrance free in a way. But I've used Clinique before. I've used they had this like acne treatment that I've used before, and I really did like it. So I'm excited about this. Next product is a mini highlighter. The brand is Formula Z. I don't really use highlighter, and I have been wanting to, so I might have to try it out. It's in the shade Mega Yacht. Next, we have this. It slipped out, might as well show you all. This is the Makeup Cali, or the Unfiltered Beauty Wake Up Call. I think it's just an eyeshadow palette. So there's 4 different colors. I'm losing my light here. So these are the colors. We've got like an orangish color, like a light brown color. It looks like maybe it hurts. Well, these are what the shades are called. It's Cuddle Me, Morning Glow, 5 Minutes, and Coffee in Bed. This one reminds me of like a brick color, and then it's got that brown. So those are the colors that we have in this little eyeshadow palette. I don't use eyeshadow, so I probably won't be using that. I might just regift it to a friend. And the last thing that we have is the Pear Nova Lunar Lip Stylo Starlet. I think it's a lip pencil. It's the Pear Nova, like I said. I think this one's a lip pencil. But yeah, that's this one. So these are all the products that I got for this month's Ipsy, and I kind of wish they had or you know what, maybe I can pull it up. Hold on. Because I do like to know what it says. And the QR code is so small. Why? Okay. A few minutes later, and I got into my account. So we're going to go ahead and learn about these products together. So the first product that we're going to learn about is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap that's mild. Learn. So what it does, it says that the name says it all. This face wash takes clean seriously. It's gentle yet thorough, helps to loosen surface flakes and removes dirt, debris, and oil from your skin without stripping it dry. It is now available online and in store at select Ulta Beauty and Target locations. So, if I like it, which I might, my local Target has Ipsy inside. I mean, it has Ulta inside, and I live by an Ulta too. But I can grab this product if I like it. How to use it, it says, use this on makeup-free skin every morning and evening. Lather up the liquid soap between your palms and massage it over your face and neck. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Cool. Next product is the Formula Z Cosmetics Mini Highlighter in Mega Yacht. So this product right here, I don't even know if you can see me. But this product right here, it says, don't let the small size fool you. This mini gives you a mega watt shine. Take this sparkling champagne glow on the go with you anywhere. It's infused with the next gen hydro ingredients that help your skin stay soft, never cakey or flaky. And it says how to use it. With a highlighter or fan brush, add a pop of radiance to the tops of your cheekbones and the highest points of your face. And then this is vegan, and it is also cruelty-free. Okay, next product is the Pear Nova Lunar Lip Stylo and Starlet. So this is worth $18.50, and it says it amps up the definition of and color of your lips with this long-wearing and pigmented soft mid-tone red lip pencil. It will help you line, define, and color your pout with out-of-this-world results. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. Okay. Next is the Tony Moly Watermelon Do All Over Serum. And this says, dehydrated skin gets a do-over with this moisture locking serum. It's infused with 50% watermelon extract, aloe leaf extract, and Centella asiatica to help hydrate, fortify, and soothe your skin's barrier. Skin will feel bouncy, comfy, and smooth, never sticky. And then it says, that's about it. Next product. I think this one's the last one. The eyeshadow palette. So this one is Clean Beauty. It's worth $20, and it says it's used to build, blend, and bring out the best of your eyes with this buttery eyeshadow palette that is inspired by the founder's love for her morning cup of joe. You'll love how fresh these shadows stay on all day and night without changing in color or fading. Plus, they're infused with vitamin E for smoothness and hydration. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it doesn't oxidize. Also, I just remembered the color, this one right here, where my finger is, it reminds me of terracotta, like the terracotta, pot, like flower pots. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, so I apologize for this video. It was a little long. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. This is February 2023 unboxing for Ipsy. And I hope you all have a happy Wednesday, or you had a happy Wednesday. And I'll see all of you next time. Bye, everyone.